What's up, you guys? Back with another one today. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly use your smart key on any of your push button start Acura models. So this is going to be the same for the MDX, the TLX, as well as the RDX. So I'm going to show you what I mean by properly use it. So sometimes people say that they have a problem getting in their RDX. What you're doing is actually touching these three little sensors right here and the back of the door handle at the same time, confusing the system. So what you want to do whenever you're getting into your RDX, and as you'll see on this particular model and all of the tech models and above, they're going to have 4-door passive entry. So what you want to do, don't reach over into the handle like this, because that's going to confuse it. What you want to do is reach directly straight at it like that, and that'll open it. Sometimes if you do like this, see, it locked itself, and so you don't want to do that. So that's what's actually happening. The car isn't, there's nothing wrong with it. You just want to make sure you touch only on this part, not the three strips on the handle itself. Only when you want to lock the vehicle do you touch those, okay? And then another thing that you guys want to do, so if you have passengers walking up to the car with you, instead of going up to it, unlocking it, opening your door, and then hitting the unlock switch on the door panel like I see a lot of people doing, what you can do, I'm going to go ahead and relock it so I can show you. What you'll do instead is just reach for the back door handle, and that'll actually open all of the doors at the same time for you. So you won't actually have to have your passengers outside waiting, like if it's raining or something. So that just makes it easier to get in and out of your TLX, RDX, or MDX.